Good morning, everyone. Good evening, Shravan sir. I'm very happy to see you all on time on this Sunday morning. Um, we are all here today to listen to our first years through the way they are learning chemical engineering through simulation softwares. And before we start anything, I request Nishita to read out the invocation.
Powerful we are, compassionate we are, genius we are, adventurous we are, disruptive we are, distinctive we are, beautiful we are, revolutionaries we are, empathetic we are, courageous we are, grateful we are, attentive we are, learners we are, incitement we are, rebellious we are, heartful we are, inspiring we are, leaders we are, champion we are, yes, powerful we are, by Apurva, Vivikta, Deepti and Nivedita.
Thank you, Nivedita. Thank you, Principal Vasara sir and Prabhakar Reddy sir for joining us. We are very happy to see you here through your extended hand of supportiveness.
Thank you,
sir. Yes. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for joining us.
Abhilash sir.
Abhilash sir. Good morning, sir. Vivikta, please go ahead.
Good morning to all the dignitaries. Today, we are present here to give you all a presentation on how to learn chemical engineering through a simulation software, namely Aviva SimCentral. Firstly, what is simulation? Why do we use it? Simulation is an imitation of an operation of a real-world process or system over time. Simulations require use of models. The model represents the key characteristics or behaviors of the selected system or process, whereas simulation represents the evolution of the model over time. Why do we use simulation? Simulation really makes some of the processes easy and safe to optimize it on computers using algorithms and equations. Simulation softwares which we use in our chemical engineering are Pro2 and SimCentral. Here SimCentral is the advanced version of Pro2. The problems which we covered in simulation software SimCentral are thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and we have also started solving problems from material energy balance too. Types of problems which we solved. Outlet temperature of compressor, expander, finding efficiency of pump and expander, calculating entropy and enthalpy, calculation of power, flow rate calculation, length of heat exchanger.
Thank you, Vivikta. Now we would like to tell the method of approach. We referred Pro2 book. Firstly, we started solving problems in Pro2 because Pro2 also was new to us. So we took some problems which we are able to solve in Pro2, and then we tried to take the reference from input file of Pro2 and solve the problems. Later on, we were able to acquire the skill to solve the problems by our own without the input file. And then we started with some basic problems because we have some knowledge of some of the subjects from Inter. We started with very basic problems, and then we tried to move from from basic concepts to little advanced concepts. And then we followed reverse engineering method. We were not very good at everything we did, but we selected some problems, learned the concepts from that problem, which we call as learn as we go method, and then we got we acquired the perfection in that concepts, and then solved those problems. We also solved problems manually, which helped us to understand the concepts better. And now my friend Deepti will continue with the problem. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Okay, let us take the problem from fluid mechanics. First problem from fluid mechanics, which we took from the McCabe textbook. This is not from Pro2 book. I have selected this problem because this is the first problem which tried of our own without any input file from the Pro2.
So let us see the question here. The question is like a centrifugal fan is given and flue gas is passed through it with the input pressure and temperature, and the discharge pressure is given, and the flow rate is also given. We need to calculate the power needed. Let us move to the demo. The left side we can see the Proto simulation and right side we can see the SimCentral simulation. We just wanted to explain both because it is new for us, like both simulations are new for us and we are learning both at a time with taking help of each other. So let us see the Proto. First we need to give thermodata, units of measurement and the component which we want. Here we are selecting flue gas and the compositions like component in the flue gas are carbon dioxide, water, nitrogen and H2. So individual molar compositions must be given as input. Next coming to the input temperature and pressure. In the input table you can see the temperature which we have given and the flow rate and also the pressure. In the compressor we have given the efficiency of the compressor, that is 70 as mentioned in the question. So that the required input information we have given to the simulation. When we run the simulation, we'll be getting the answer through the output table. Here we can see the shaft work, which is 26 kilowatts. When coming to the SimCentral, it is same as the Proto, but it is very easy to use. Like some features are very easy to use in the SimCentral, but the method is same. So in these also we have given like same approach. First given input temperature, input pressure and input flow rate. And in compressor also we have given output pressure as well as the efficiency of the compressor. Here also like we need to create the fluid in the SimCentral. In Proto, the fluids will be like auto in the simulation, but in SimCentral we have to create our fluid according to our desired things. So in this we will be giving the thermodata and also the component data. So in these also we have got the same answer as of Proto, 26.7. It's not exactly, but it's approximately same in kilowatts. So this is the first problem which we done of our own in this simulation and Proto. Let us go to the next problem, thermodynamics problem. Yeah, here it is given a mixture of compositions of methane, ethane and propane at a certain temperature, and they are asking to determine the pressure at the dew point as well as the bubble point. We have selected this question to say two things. First thing is that it's not difficult, but it's a process. It has big process to solve manually. We have seen that it has some graphs and it is a trial and error method to solve the problem. But in Proto and simulation, it's very easy to solve it. It just need two input data. That's it. Let me say this. Explain this. Here we will be giving our required component, thermodata, and the temperature. We'll be mentioning only the temperature in this stream, as you can see, and we'll be giving the specification for the first stream as bubble point. So we are calculating the pressure at the bubble point. In the table, we can see the pressure at the bubble point. In the same way, we will be calculating at the dew point also. This was easy to solve because we had input file, and we know we have taken reference of the input file and we saw way to give the input of bubble point and dew point. Next moving, we were happy that we got the answer. Next moving to the SimCentral. It was new software, we did not explore much. We explored a lot, much about that, but not completely. So we just started the simulation. We don't know where to give the conditions of bubble point and dew point. When we were exploring a lot, we saw, here we can see the vapor fraction. When we are exploring, we saw that vapor pressure is equals to 0 at the bubble point and vapor pressure is equals to 1 at the dew point. We thought we'll be getting the answer and we proceeded with the process. We just gave a vapor fraction and a vapor fraction condition, and we were surprised to get the same answer. We were very happy. Before we don't know that what to give the condition and what. But when we got the answer same as the Proto, we were very happy that we were exploring, we are learning something. Yeah, this is the story behind this. Every problem we solve, we have a story for that. when I started learning Pro 2, I was alone I have alone started learning Pro 2 from the first years. I don't know why, but when these two girls have joined me, my enjoyment of learning have multiplied a lot. And next, we'll listen from Vivikta.
Okay, thank you, Deepti. Yes, as Deepti said, we were really enjoying playing with simulation. Actually, we can say that we were playing with the simulation because sometimes not to have a knowledge of a subject is really good when it comes to exploring. Like, you are not restricted to anything. You can just explore and play and do anything. So we started our simulation journey with FM problems. First, we did them in Pro 2, and then we started, after completing all fluid mechanics sums in Pro 2, we moved on to SimCentral. We did our first sum, and to our surprise, we got the answer, but then the answer was different from the answer which we got in Pro 2. We assumed that the answer which we got in SimCentral was wrong. We tried for 1 week, checking all the parameters, doing something, but yeah, we did not succeed. But then we thought to leave it for some time and just move on and then come back once we have some clarity. We moved on to thermodynamics, thinking that our knowledge which we have from our inter is enough to start with the basic problems. We read the first question, we solved it in Pro 2, and for the first time we solved the question in the first attempt in Pro 2. We were really happy that day because the sums which we did from fluid mechanics, we had to do for 2 to 3 times to get the whole simulation correct. But when we did thermodynamics problem in Pro 2 for the first time, we got the answer correct in the first attempt itself. Then we thought of solving that in SimCentral, hoping that we will get an answer, we will get the right answer. The answer same as in Pro 2. We moved on and we just gave the data, and to our surprise again, we got the right answer. That day, we were really, really happy. We were just flying that day. Because being first years, we had the basic concept, but then we were scared also. Not scared, but then, it was a feeling. We got the answer. Then we slowly moved on to other sums, and we started getting answers, and that really boosted our energy. Apurva, now can you continue?
Yes. It was absolutely a happy journey, I can say, because it started off because our seniors took a lot of time to learn the software and implement it. But I think that was also a point which helped us really with the support that we have our seniors who really are good at simulation. So with that, we started our journey. Like, it's been we started it on 28th April, and now it's been 22 days. And first we invested we learned 2 to 3 hours. We spent 2 to 3 hours every day doing simulation, and it was little tough in the beginning, but when we started enjoying it, when we started exploring, like Vivikta and Deepti said, it was amazing. I mean, the joy of learning, everyone feels, right, studying or learning something really related to academics is not fun, but it is just completely different. The joy we experienced while we were solving the sums, getting the answers, really boosted up our confidence. It's not, I don't say it's impossible, but if you try, it is completely possible. And it was really happy learning. It was a happy learning experience, which we don't know, trying to know them with the help of many things. We have many sources. We explored all the sources and tried to learn. Yeah, that was a really good experience, I guess.
I would also like to add here, Apurva. So about the fluid mechanics problems, finally we were able to do it, because recently, I guess last week or before that, we got to know from Pawan sir that whatever answer we are getting in SimCentral was correct, because and as we mentioned earlier, SimCentral is the advanced version of Pro2, and it works more on like the real process type. So the answer which we got, the pressure drop which we got in Pro2, the difference which we got was correct, and this answer which we got in SimCentral was right. Like this, we had stories for every question which we solved. Till now, we have solved 19 problems in 22 days. We are really happy about it. And yeah, every question has a backstory for it. We have also done silly mistakes. I know we have really done silly mistakes, but we have also learned from them. It was a really nice journey. I would also say that because we did not have prior knowledge of some subjects. Not that we don't have basics. We do have basics. They have really helped us a lot. But then the advanced knowledge which we learn in chemical engineering, since we did not have that, we got to explore many things. We weren't restricted to any one subject or any one particular thing. We were exploring a lot, and exploring gives experiences, and experiences are just fun. Experiences are life. So
firstly we were not able to handle with the Pro2 software itself, but then we became very familiar with SimCentral, which was the advanced version. Like it is the time to acknowledge the people behind it. So we are really thankful to Shravan sir and Pawan sir for giving this opportunity. We enjoyed it a lot, and we are really thankful to they believed in us. I don't know how they got that thing that we can do it, but it really boosted our confidence. Thank you, Shravan sir and Pawan sir. Thank you, Principal Basavarao sir and Prabhakar Reddy sir, Kavita Vagre ma'am, for attending and for encouraging us. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, for being so patient.
I would like to add this. I just want to thank all my seniors. Like, we were not familiar, but they made time for us to make us understand the concepts and all. We team, like we three and Rohit Anna, Litvija Akka are helping us to do the problems to explain the concept. And also a special thanks to Triveni Akka, Vinay Anna, Surya Anna, Nikhil Anna, because they are so patient that they explained us everything, how to use, like how to do this problems, like in what manner we need to go and all that. Triveni Akka have spent much time for me to explain the process of simulation, like what is Pro2, why will be using that, where are some these and all that. Like she explained everything about Pro2. That made me to explore more and more and learn. And these two girls have joined me, and like we are learning together. That made me so happy. And we three are enjoying the process, learning process. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Deepti, Vivita, Apurva. Like I can say, like your faces can say that it's a wonderful learning experience that you all have enjoyed together, spending together. Actually, as you are all saying, like you learning the concept. I don't know, like whatever it may be, but the thing is, you are introduced to the new terminology, right? Like in the first year itself, which we didn't. But when you really learn that concepts in your second year, third year, and fourth year, definitely you will have a smile on your face, and you will listen to it very, very pinpointly. Oh yes, this is the question that I have solved in Pro2. In that way, you will be learning more. Like it's a very good it's a very good thing that you have come forward and you are learning those things.
But I want to interrupt 1 minute. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Shyam Sundar sir. Good morning, sir.
Oh, that's so happy to see you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Amma. I wish you all the best. So nice to see you all.
We are so much delighted to see you here, sir. Shyam sir, you raised your hand.
Yeah, thank you. I want to say a few comments, a few things. I actually have a couple of things I want to say. So, can you explain how you have, have you done some of these problems manually? And if so, have you done all of the problems manually or only some of the problems manually?
Yes, sir. Many of the problem are example problem from textbook, sir, like whatever we have selected. So we'll be having the ready-made answer for that. So we are like, even I brought textbook also to refer and all, and we also have ebooks. Like all our seniors have sent us all the ebooks to refer them. So we are going through, like if we have concept before that, we are just going through. Like I have said, dew point and bubble point. There is much concept for that. I saw that some graphs are there and much concept before that. I did not go to much concept, but I have seen what are the graphs, like what we are taking and what we are, like to solve the problem, what they are doing. Like that we have solved the problems. Sir. Many of them are example problems.
Very nice. Good. Like Lidvijay has said, learning now, when you are introduced to these concepts in second year, you will start learning them even more in a detailed manner. You will have more focus and you'll say, oh, okay, I think I can think about this variable in this way. Maybe I should change this variable. So you'll start thinking in a much more, depth. Okay. So that is one of the big advantages. That's what we did with our kids also. Even when I was in college, actually, when I was doing chemical engineering, I always used to study before the classes, before I went to the class. So the next thing is I want to know is,
like I would like to add to this thing that firstly, when we started doing it, we solved 2 to 3 problems in the Pro2 and SimCentral. But then we were questioning ourselves, like, what is this and what is that? And then when we referred some books and asked our seniors about how this works, then they said doing manually is really important. So the first problem, when we did it manually, it was 3 pages long, which we did in Pro2 and SimCentral in just some 1 minute, I can say. So then we understood the importance of solving them manually. It involves many equations and many different type of methods, right? So then we understood the importance of solving manually, and then we started doing manually as well as in the simulations.
Very nice. So a couple of other things I want you to know also. This is the age of the girls, okay? Girls are coming out now, and the world is ready for the girls. So be powerful, tell yourself what you want to do, and keep moving, okay? And I'm also very glad that you're using learn as we go method, because right now you have so much information. When we were growing up, we didn't have that much. We had one book, so we could learn all of it. But now there is a lot of information, so you can't learn everything and then think, okay, I'll become an expert. You have to solve the problems as you go and learn concepts as you go. So I'm really glad that you are understanding. Learn as you go is actually a method which will take a little while for you to really get to understand that. But I think I see that you are already getting, understanding that method. So well done. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
It's good, and I was just sitting and listening you all, and I am also observing in all of you the confidence levels. So definitely, I am very happy to see the confidence levels which have been built up in all of you. Maybe that credit goes to the Shravan and Pawan. And if you see the Shravan and Pawan, there is in both names, one is there. So they won the hearts of the students, and they won the, if you take not WON, ONE1, then they are number 1 in having a crazy ideas. Okay?
Wow.
Crazy ideas. And I always remember that the things are becoming easy when you have a crazy about them. If the otherwise things will become difficult if you are lazy about the things. So all are very crazy, and this craziness towards the things, doing the academics, doing other things, are being brought by the Shravan and Pawan. So I must be thankful to them. And also I see in the first year itself, you have started tasting the chemical engineering. I think by the coming to the final year, then you can cook yourself and then serve to all others, so that the taste of the chemical engineering can be spread to the whole world. Involving in looking after all your activities, they definitely help you, and there is no other thing. Don't keep anything in your mind. And I also thank all other faculty, those who have shown very much interest in coming to this one. But I should be thankful to 3 persons like Surya, Nikhil and Vinay, those who were there initial period, and then slowly it has been getting established. So hope that the seniors, whatever path is laid, so you please go in that path, and finally if anything is there, we are having Shravan and Pawan to sort it out. Thank you for inviting me. So all the best in your future endeavors. So a very long time is there. Almost 3 years is there to go and get the degree. So learn the things in a better way, and which will be useful to the society and also your own profession. And your parents are very proud about you doing a good work, and I wish you all the best. Thank you, Shravan particularly, and he is very much interested and also talking to me in a number of times, and also sorting out all the problems which will evolve, and I think we can solve all problems, and we'll go ahead. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Bale start this chala rhyming words though.
Thank you,
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Shamsundar sir, do you want to add?
So I think time also you see that all lectures from professors and I think take more time. Anyhow, at the outset, I wish you all the best, and I also congratulate all the students for participating actively in the TOP Talks. This is very, very important platform for the students for their future career. At the same time, I would like to congratulate Shravan and Pawan, and also our present principal, Professor Baswarao, for initiating this unanimously in association with the University College of Technology and even ESL together for carrying out these TOP Talks in future also. So I wish you all, and this is one of the best platform to learn many things, especially that particularly cultivating this culture in the first years is a really good thing. Why? Because tomorrow final year students may go out. I think third years are, I think now they are going to become seniors, and then second years, similarly first years also will come. So in the beginning itself, the CSL is including first years, means this is one of the good initiation and a good thing, a good cultivation within our students. I hope that this culture will continue in future also. These are very, very important. And also I request Shravan and our principal to see that even more students come towards this ESL, participate in ESL activities. So why? Because once we motivate them, automatically they also will come forward, and people will not comment that only ESL is only for 10 students, 20 students. See, once for every time, even your senior students and teaching faculty and our present principal, everybody should motivate other students also, so that this ESL, OUCT ESL will become number one in the the entire world, I can say. Okay, with these few things, I once again wish you all the best, and I am really happy all the students, really that especially our senior students, those who are there, all these senior students were in the first year when we started this ECEL. First year or second year, it seems to be. Now they have come to final year. Anyhow, all these things are going in nice way. I once again wish you all the best. Go ahead. Thank you so much for the given opportunity.